In this video, we're going to look at how to blend two images together in Canva Pro with only 3 short steps. To start things off with step 1, we are currently sat in our design with 2 images uploaded. We'll position them both on 2 separate pages like this, ensuring that both images fill the pages. Next, we want to add a gradient effect to the opposite sides of both images. Let's tackle page 1 first. By first navigating to Elements here, and then searching for Gradient, we can locate the white gradient here. We'll select it once and then a second time because we want to ensure that we have a decent amount of depth to our gradient shift. Let's reposition this effect as well as its duplicate and add it to the far right of the image, just like so. Now let's repeat this process for page 2. Starting off by selecting the white gradient twice and repositioning the effect, but this time over to the left side of the image instead. With that done, we can download the images as JPEGs. Step 2 begins with us re-uploading the images we just downloaded. We'll first place one image like so, and then a second image directly on top of the first. Now we'll need to edit the transparency of the second image using this feature in the toolbar. Let's drag the slider down to about 50%. We can of course tweak the images to our liking so that the image fits together just as we like it. Next we need to download this image as well, and then we'll upload it to Canva once again. Don't worry, this is the last time we'll need to perform this action. For the final step, now that our image has been uploaded, we'll want to adjust the image to make it pop a little more by selecting Edit from the toolbar and then Adjust. Focusing on elements like saturation, brightness, contrast and clarity will help improve the balance of the overall image. And that's how you can blend 2 images together in Canva Pro.